Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to do these cute cat eye Halloween nails. I think that's how I'm gonna call them. I have no idea how to call these nails. Start with a medium yellow base and create a rough color wash with orange, yellows and reds. And if you want to know how to do a color wash design, watch this video. After you're done, clean up with water or nail polish remover, depends on what you used. I used acrylic paint. And then paint a big single chevron with light nude. Then just fill the chevron with black. When done, apply top coat to smooth out the surface and make your nails look perfect. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this and give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!